If you need to find your Calendly meeting link, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to locate both a specific event link and your main Calendly profile link so you can share the right scheduling page every time. This is super useful if you want people to book a 15-minute call, a 30-minute meeting, or your full scheduling page without digging through your account. If this video helps, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials. Alright, let's get into it. First, log into your Calendly account and go to your dashboard. Once you're inside, look for the main event types tab or the scheduling tab. This is where Calendly shows all of your available meeting types. If you have different event options set up, you'll see cards for each one, such as a short intro call, a consultation, or a longer meeting. Now, if you want the link for one specific meeting type, find the event card that matches the meeting you want to share. For example, maybe you want your 15-minute intro call link instead of your general page. On that event card, click Copy Link. Calendly will copy the exact URL to your clipboard, and you can paste it anywhere you need it, like email, text, social media, or your website. If you want your main Calendly profile link instead, look at the top right corner of the dashboard. You'll see your profile icon or your initials there. Click that menu, then choose My Link. Calendly will show your general profile URL, which usually leads to your public booking page. This main link is helpful because when someone opens it, they can see all of your active public meeting types in one place. That means they can choose the appointment that fits them best instead of you sending a different link every time. If you ever want to use your Calendly link manually, you can also type calendly.com followed by your username or copied link to bring up your public scheduling page. Just make sure you're using the correct link for the meeting type you want people to book. A quick tip, if you're sharing Calendly in different places, keep both links handy. Use the specific event link when you want to send someone directly to one meeting type, and use your main profile link when you want them to choose from all available options. And that's it. Now, you know how to find your Calendly meeting link, whether you need a direct event link or your main profile scheduling link. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more step-by-step guides.